BitDAO proposes to replace BitToken in branding revamp after community approval. Bit holders will undergo a token conversion process for the new Mantle token. Governance and treasury management will remain unchanged. News: join us on social networks. A proposal seeking to apply a one brand, one token principle has been pushed to a vote on BitDAO's snapshot and calls for substituting BitDAO's token, BIT, under a new governance token. Snapshot serves as an off-chain governance voting platform for decentralized autonomous organizations, DAOs, and other blockchain projects. According to proposal BIT21, the BitDAO ecosystem, governance, BitDAO, and product, Mantle, will be unified as Mantle. Governance processes and treasury management will remain unchanged, but after community approval, Bit holders will undergo a token conversion process for the new Mantle token. The move comes ahead of the mainnet launch of Mantle, a scaling Layer 2 protocol built on Ethereum. The mainnet launch is expected in the coming weeks. BitDAO is backed by crypto exchange Bybit, along with Pantera Capital, Dragonfly and venture capitalist Peter Thiel. Token conversions may introduce a fixed exchange rate for all users, preserving all governance rights and other interests, according to the BIP21 description. A gradual conversion process will be available on different channels, and holders will have a timeline for converting tokens. Token conversion rules and ratios shall apply to all token holders equally, and holders are not required to take any action in advance, says the proposal. Details on token conversion plans will be discussed if BIP21 is approved. Related, researchers in Singapore design new more. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.